As of now, it's very informative. I really love everything I learned. And my biggest takeaway in this whole thing is conquering my fears. So I basically always wanted to, it's a very personal thing. So I never was able to go out and have lunch or dinner on my own. That was one of my biggest fears. So I actually did that today. This is something that I would never do. It was like something not possible. So the biggest thing that I have taken from here is to conquer my fears. So one thing after the other. So that's the thing. And secondly, it's very informative. And the people, the guys who are speaking, just listening to them and the way they have reached where they have, it's very inspiring. So I'm very glad I came here. The speaker I personally resonated with was Simone. I have not been through what she has, the way she has, but to a certain degree I have. So I personally resonated with her and I really liked the way she spoke.
Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.